Maintaining your personal, professional, and business life online has become a daunting task. Too many choices have created too much confusion, while none seem to give you the control over your communication that you desire. Webtalk is the first all-in-one communication, collaboration, and commerce networking community built to help you communicate better and save time. With Webtalk, you'll strengthen relationships with more targeted and visible communication, build your credibility, and conduct your business more efficiently through a cloud-based hub that brilliantly organizes your personal, professional, and business life into easy-to-manage categories. Webtalk puts you in control of who sees what and when. The social awkwardness of adding colleagues, friends, and family to the same online network is now over. Managing your communication better begins with managing your contacts better. Webtalk's patent-pending connection process helps you label your connections based on real-life relationships. When building new relationships on Webtalk, you can label professional connections as a prospective contact for sales, employment, business, and investment opportunities using Webtalk's built-in group and subgroup labeling feature. Then, add keywords and descriptions to help search for that person later in your contact management directory. With built-in professional, personal, and public networks, Webtalk helps you manage your online life as you would your real life. Building and maintaining credibility is extremely important in all aspects of your life. That's why Webtalk allows you to showcase your talent through a virtual resume and a media gallery to show off your professional portfolio, degrees, certifications, photos, and videos. Businesses can also showcase products, services, ratings, and reviews on your business page to help you build trust and attract new customers. In the near future, Webtalk will offer a marketplace search feature to help all users find products offered by other members and conduct more business locally. Webtalk wants to help everyone connect to more opportunities and become more successful. That's why Webtalk pays out up to 50% of all revenue through an immensely lucrative referral program called Social CPX. Webtalk's largest online networking and e-commerce competitors generate tens of billions of dollars every year from advertising, premium upgrades, and transaction fees. Facebook and LinkedIn on average generate $3 per month from every user. Amazon generates about $70 per user per month from product sales. As the first social e-commerce community, Webtalk projects reaching an average of $10 or more per month from every user. Webtalk generates revenue from advertising sales, premium feature upgrades, talent solutions, and transaction fees, just like the others. But the difference is, we share it with you. When you enroll in the free affiliate program, you'll earn a 10% commission on all revenue generated by the users and businesses you refer to Webtalk for life. Your long-term earning potential per user referral is estimated at $1 per month. We all know that $1 is not life-changing, so Webtalk decided to do the unimaginable and award everyone credit for starting a chain reaction of referrals. With Webtalk, you earn credit for your direct referrals, but also their referrals, and so on through 5 degrees of separation. Let's say the average monthly commission per referral reaches $1, and you and all of your referrals have referred 10 users each, and that continues through 5 degrees or levels of separation. You could earn $10 per month from your first level, $100 from your second, $1,000 from your third, $10,000 from your fourth, and $100,000 per month from your fifth level. With Webtalk's affiliate program, a simple "Follow me on Webtalk" post on Facebook or Twitter could be potentially life-changing. The best part about the affiliate program is you don't have to change any of your daily routines. Every social network gives you a profile or page link for you to share and build your network. Webtalk does the same, only better. When your profile link drives new users to Webtalk, our patent-pending affiliate program gives you credit for the referral. Import your email or phone address books to invite your contacts to connect with you on Webtalk, and you'll get credit for everyone that joins. Share your photos, videos, and files with non-members, and you earn credit for the referral when they sign up to view them. If you own a website or blog, Webtalk provides you with social buttons and banner ads to display to your site visitors. And if these tools drive new users, you're awarded credit for those referrals as well. It's that simple. Social CPX is Webtalk's standalone referral program app that provides you with a mobile-first dashboard that tracks all of your referrals awarded from any of your social activities. You can view how many invitations you sent, how many people joined Webtalk thanks to you, the amount of revenue they've generated, and your commissions. Webtalk and the affiliate referral program are free and always will be. The people and businesses who join Webtalk early and help grow the community will have the largest income opportunity. Today, there are 2 billion social network users worldwide, with that number projected to double in the next 5 years. The more people you invite to Webtalk now, the better your chances are for life-changing success. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Join now and invite everyone you know before they invite you. Webtalk, the best way to communicate and create success.